Hello future and current subscribers, my name is Gawain Gray, and today I intend to demonstrate to you, my audience who are majority parents and guardians, just how easy it is for social media to corrupt your young children. Before I go any further, I just want to turn your attention to ways in which you can follow me. For content like this, please subscribe to my WordPress account, which is gawaingsg.wordpress.com. So now let's jump right back to it. Today I'll be focusing on specifically Instagram, and it's very simple to get an account. Once you have a phone number, you're pretty much set to go. And I presume most young children, adolescents, they do have a phone, so they'll be able to sign up. You can put in their information if they have an account already, or they can just sign up for one. So I'll go ahead and pause the video just to put in my credentials. Welcome back. I'm pretty sure no time had passed for you, but this is what they'll be able to see. This is tailored to my account. They'll be new, so they won't have any followers or following anyone. But I just want to turn your attention to the search feature. As you can see here, I was just making sure that it actually is that simple. So let's say you're a young one has a very curious mind and search for nudes. I warn you, this is graphic. Here. And they can click on any one of these. Now this is what they'll be able to see, which is absolutely horrendous for a young mind. The good thing is that us as parent, or you as parent, there are ways that you can probably not, try to mitigate this. And one such way is by going to the privacy settings. So let's go to settings, privacy and security. And I just want to navigate you to the likes and views. Now this is because a study was conducted by Mark Travers, who published this in Forbes, so it's a trusted site. And the article titled Instagram likes may be distorting children's perception of reality, says new mental health research. And this is true because what they're doing is that they're liking their self-worth to the amount of views and likes that they receive on social media, which is, inevitable, will have a negative impact on them. So that is one way. We have to keep it short, so there are some other features that you can look at. So under privacy and security help, if you hit the support, it gives you a breakdown of the customizations that you can put in place to try and help out with them being exposed to these sort of content. I'll be able to make more detailed videos on my site, so unfortunately I can't go too much into details for time preservation. Another feature that I want to highlight is the supervision one. So you as parent, you can supervise accounts. So you'll be able to add your child's account here, and then you can monitor it. So in conclusion, social media can have a negative impact on your children's life in many aspects, really. There are some crucial steps that you can take, which I just highlighted a few of them, to preserve their innocence. And for more content like this, please join me at wordpress.com and my other social media accounts, which I will be adding to the bio of this video. Thanks again for your time.